the fun stuff's about to start, you guys, this next week. Actually, this is probably gonna start tonight. Hello, my lovely friends. I just wanted to hop on here and say before I start editing this video that it's probably going to be quite random. We've been doing so many random things and projects that I have filmed, but I haven't had the time to like structure out the videos, so it's like kind of all over the place. So bear with me, I'm still learning how to do the YouTube thing. Also, I apologize, the guys are on the roof right now working on pulling it off. So that's what that noise is. Still learning how to YouTube. So please give me grace. But I promise it's still a good video. We got a lot done and I'm almost caught up with sharing everything. We're almost like back to present day. Let's get to it and thank you for watching. Spin. How's it feel?
Good.
Think it's gonna hold some cinder blocks?
Sure.
Hello. We are about to unbury a bunch of, I don't even think you can see them, a bunch of, what are they called? Cinder blocks. So we can rebuild the carport. And we're gonna make it a little bit taller, so we're gonna put it on top of cinder blocks. There's a pile right in there, but you can probably not see them. So I'm gonna start working on that. All right, you see them in there? They're buried under a bunch of kudzu and other garbage. course, then the camera died. But we have a dumpster. I'm pretty excited about this. The fun stuff's about to start, you guys, this next week. Actually, this is probably gonna start tonight. We have a whole pile of trash over here to fill that up with already. And then next week we're ripping the roof off. But she's gonna be filled. Whoop, whoop. Probably could have got a bigger one. Hey guys, I just got done with work and it's Friday and now it's time to throw this crap away. We have this very large pile of junk and it's about to all go in the dumpster, so enjoy that. Sweaty now. That was a lot of work, but this pile's cleared now. There's some small scraps that I'll have to sweep up, but now I need to move. Whew. Now I need to move over to this pile, and this pile is topped with like a little bit of the stuff that we pulled out of the house, but for the most part, that's junk they left here. So it's literally like most of my height. It's a lot of junk. So I'm not looking forward to that because I'm sure there are a lot of spiders in it. That pile's been there for probably a year, so wish me luck. I thought you guys might want to see how much of a dent we've made in the dumpster. So let's look. Still plenty of room in there, so that's good. It's kind of hard to see. All right, back to work. guys, all of it except for the freezer and that bag back there is cleaned up. I'm gonna push broom it now and push sweep. Is it push broom or push sweep? I don't know. Taylor's gonna have to lift that bag up because the dumpster is like taller than me. So I can't, it's heavy and I can't like get it up over my head without it falling apart. So he's gonna have to take care of that one for me. But other than that, it's clean. All of their junk is in here and it was a lot of like gross food and stuff. So that was a workout, but it looks so much better in here. It's gonna be a lot easier to actually use this space now. So I'm gonna push broom real quick and then call it a night probably. Oh gosh.